delay 1 hour and 30 minutes. Captain on suggested neighboring request of Mr. Jordi, the captain Sarah, Barbara, Sofia, Iran, and myself are waiting for departure. Please copy the English 307 number is Boeing 767 Series aircraft. Mesdames et messieurs, bonsoir, vous êtes bienvenue à bord du vol Ryanair FR 656 à destination de Bruxelles sur Charleroi. Le temps de vol sera plus ou moins d'1 heure et 30 minutes. Capitaine Jordi, capitaine Grégory, assisté par le premier officier Jordi, en cabine présentant Sarah, Barbara, Sofia, Irène et moi-même. Bien au départ, je vais vous demander s'il vous plaît quelques minutes votre attention pour quelques mesures de sécurité à bord de cet avion. Merci.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome on board this Ryanair flight. May we have your complete attention while we point out some of the safety features on board this Boeing 737-800 aircraft. Please ensure that headphones are removed for the duration of this demonstration. There are 8 emergency exits, each of which is marked with a red exit sign. Floor path markings running along the cabin wall will illuminate in darkness and will guide you to the nearest exit in an emergency. There are 4 main doors, 2 at the top of the cabin, 1 left and 1 right, and 2 at the rear of the cabin, 1 left and 1 right. There are 4 overwing exits in the centre of the cabin, 2 left and 2 right. Please take a moment to note the nearest exit, which may be behind you. To fasten your seatbelt, insert the metal end into the buckle. To secure, pull on the loose end of the strap, and to open, lift the buckle cover. In the event of a sudden loss of cabin pressure, individual oxygen masks will drop automatically from the panel above your head. If this happens, remain seated. Pull down firmly on the mask to start the flow of oxygen. Place the mask over your nose and mouth and breathe normally. Don't worry if the bag does not inflate. Oxygen is flowing. To secure the mask, pull one end of the strap provided. Adults travelling with young children, please attend to your own mask first. Your life jacket is stowed in a pocket beneath your seat or in the panel above your head. In the unlikely event of landing in water, remove the jacket from its packet and place it over your head. Bring the strap around your waist, clip at the front, and secure by pulling on the loose end of the strap as the crew are now demonstrating. To inflate the life jacket, pull down sharply on the red toggle. There is a mouthpiece for further inflation or deflation and a light to attract attention. Do not inflate your life jacket inside the cabin, as to do so will impede your exit. Further information may be found on the safety card, which is displayed within the area you are seated. Your captain invites you to read this card carefully before departure. Before departure, please ensure that your seatbelt is securely fastened, tray table is in the upright and locked position, armrests down and window blinds open. We recommend for your comfort and safety that you keep your seatbelt fastened throughout the flight. There is a call bell, reading light and fresh air vent in the panel above your head. Unless instructed otherwise by your crew, portable electronic devices such as tablets and mobile phones may be used on board during all stages of this flight, providing airplane or flight mode has been selected. Please select airplane or flight mode now. Laptops and larger portable electronic devices must not be used during taxi, takeoff and landing, and must be placed in your cabin baggage, either under the seat in front of you or in an overhead locker provided. We would like to remind you that smoking is not permitted and toilets are fitted with smoke alarms. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for your attention. We invite you to sit back, relax and enjoy your flight.
Ladies and gentlemen, on board this Ryanair aircraft, you will find your life jacket in the panel just above your head. Signori e signori, a bordo di questo aeromobile troverete il vostro giubbotto di salvataggio nel pannello sopra le vostre teste. Grazie.
Takeoff and once before landing, if you want to continue reading, you can use the reading light in the panel just above your head.
Grossi for the departure, thank you.